Hi, I'm Daniel, facilitator of week 1. I want just to give you some basic information on our platform, on our ELIC MOOC platform, starting from our main page, as you can see here now. We are starting here from the home page. As you can see here, you have the news feed in which you will find the most updated information about our course, what is going on, the promotional videos, what our partners are doing in preparing our video clips for the different weeks. So just take a look to this. The most important page, obviously, at the start, as you can imagine, is the login registration page. If you open it, as you can see here, you have the possibility to enter directly if you are already registered. But please consider that for the first time you have to register, and you can open the registration form starting from this link here, register. And as you can see here, you will have the most important information that you have to insert in our registration form. The username, you can use a nickname without problems, the email that you are using for your comments, the blogs, and also to send us the confirmation of your subscription, the passwords that you will insert here in order to enter. And then you have to submit the whole thing, and you will receive an email directly on your address, and you will have to confirm this in order to log in. So please, let's go on. Let's start again with our main page. As you can see here, we have the opportunity to subscribe once you are logged in to the blog of our ELIC course. Here you have to insert once again your email to subscribe, and you will receive directly on your email the most important information. And you have, as you can see here, the most recent posts that are loaded up in our platform, the recent comments. You will find the timeline, which gives you the general overview of the course, and then you have, that's very interesting, I believe, the Facebook link. You open it here, you can find also on Facebook all the very interesting informations of our partners, what's going on, moderators and facilitators that are presenting themselves, the contents that are developed during our MOOC course. So you have this for what concerns our homepage. For what concerns the overview page, you will have here, as you can see, 4 different links: what to learn, how to get a certificate, and the team. For what concerns the first link, here you will find again the most important information that I already presented to you during our video clips of week 1 with the structure of the course, the 6 weeks. Then you have the second link, how to learn. Here again we will just give you some basic information on the principles that are related to our philosophy of teaching in our MOOC course. So the support that you will find in our contacts with the moderators, with the conveners, and with the facilitators, and you will just have the possibility to discover again advantages and opportunities that you have with our course. The third link is related to the way how you can get our final certificate. So you will find a user guide that you can open directly on the web. It's a slide in which you will find the most important information concerning the procedure of your registration. So the external link, as you will see afterwards, to our ECQA platform, the way in which you can register yourself directly in the MOOC course, and other informations for the final exam. Again, going back to our overview page, you have then the final information concerning the team. Here you will have the photographs of all the facilitators, the moderators, the persons that are giving graphic support and video support to our contents and to the videos that we are preparing. So here you have, let's say, the most important informations concerning the people that will give you the support during the whole course. For what concerns the content page, as you can see here, you will have the basic information on the topics of our different weeks. So week 1 is the introduction week. Week 2 we will talk about e-motors. Week 3 we will talk about combustion engines. Week 4 battery and light. Week 5 hot engineering, and week 6 is the recap week. Please consider that for every week you will find always the same structure of information. So we will start normally with the learning objectives. You will find the photos and the names of our moderators, facilitators. You will also have the description of some main content. You will have the videos that are posted by our teachers on this web page. So here you can find two of our videos concerning the basic information, the do's and don'ts of a MOOC course, the main information concerning the procedure to get the ECQA certificate, and finally you will have other links in which you can open material for the week, but also in which you can also find the assignments for the week. So here, for example, we have assignment 1.1, present yourself, which is the first assignment of our course. The purpose is here to invite you to present yourself. So you will find some questions that we have put inside: the nickname, the country of origin, the teaching subject, your motivation to participate, and what do you expect from the ELIC MOOC course. You can answer to these questions directly here in the comment box. You find it here at the bottom part of our screen. You can post a comment at the end, and our facilitators and moderators will give you then a feedback to the whole thing. So please consider then that for the other weeks you will find the same information, so learning objectives and the name of the facilitators and the moderators. It's the same also here for week 3. As you can see, week 4 has also the same information. Here just the names of our moderators and facilitators, learning objectives, and the description of the course. And now for what concerns week 6, you will have again the name of our moderators, the facilitators, and you will find the external link. It's not open now, but you will find it as soon as possible in order to register yourself to the ECQA platform for getting the final certificate. And you will find also the link to our evaluation questionnaire, which for us is very important because we need it in order to improve our course at the end. So here please consider that. You can open, you will find some boxes that you have to check. Here with the red star, you will find the topics that are mandatory. You have to check them all, and then at the end you can answer to other questions and send us your feedback, which we will use then afterwards. For what concerns the frequently asked questions, here you have also a link in which you will find the most important concepts that we use in our ELIC MOOC course in order to have a reminder of it. And finally, the last important page in our platform is the imprint and contact page. Here you will find the most interesting data on the Erasmus program, who is financing it, and the partner who is also responsible for privacy and data protection. So in order to have it under control, you can also read this last page. Thank you for your attention and enjoy the ELIC MOOC course.